Lot 144 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American. The body is straight. Very straight. All the windows are good. This one has a bad engine. The engine is disassembled and parts of it are inside the unit. But the body, cosmetically, it looks really good. This one may be used for parts. It's definitely worth fixing because of how straight it is. But I'll show you. Here are the pulleys, the valve cover, and some other parts here as well. I'll show you the engine when I get back there. There's a lot of mildew in here and it's very dirty, so it needs to be cleaned. The roof is good. The AC unit in the front looks fairly new. The rear one, the filter's hanging, so the housing may be cracked. Let me see if I can zoom in here. You see it? All right, this is a 72 passenger. All the seat belts are there. All the windows look good. They're tinted windows. Let me show you the driver's seat. Looks good. It's missing the horn. One of the gauges. The dash is loose. Okay. And let me show you the engine. The tires are fair to good. Fair. They're fair. All right, here's the engine. The valve cover is removed. Compressors are disconnected. The alternator is hanging. Radiator cap is missing. Who knows? Any parts may be missing. Remember, you're buying this one for parts or to revive. Maybe worth fixing up, but the body is very straight. Let me show you the back. Let me show you this side. They parked it really close. Right there is a little ding in the corner, but the rest looks good. The paint even has some shine. All right, that's pretty much it. Good luck and thank you.